My name is Jason. I'm 31, and I live in Brooklyn. That morning, I left late for work, missed my usual 7:15 train. I was annoyed. But I got on the next one at 7:41. A couple stops in, a man near the door collapsed. Just dropped. People froze. Some pulled out their phones. I remembered my CPR training from 2 years ago. I dropped to my knees and started compressions. 1, 2, 3. Paramedics arrived just minutes later. One of them looked at me and said, "You just saved his life." And here's the thing. If I hadn't been late that morning, I wouldn't have been there.